I originated from China. I don't see race or religion, and everyone across the world is terrified of me. I'm just a small RNA strand encapsulated with protein code.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Yes, I am the coronavirus. I can make you feel very, very sick, and I can also kill you.
Oh, corona all over the news, man. It's just another disease which gives cough and cold. I'm young. I shouldn't be worried about. I have to enjoy my life. I'm going out with my friends. I'm gonna hang out. A fit guy like me doesn't really need to worry about corona. I can just kick it out. Oh, I better hurry. I need to go for shopping. Hey, Shekhar. Yeah, I'm just about to start. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this day, man. Yeah, I want to do a lot of shopping and eat out too, please. Yeah, I will meet you in MG Road then. Yeah, see you.
Six and a half hours later.
I'm too tired. Oh, what a day I had. So much of shopping. It was an amazing day. People kept asking me about mask. Who wear a mask? It's for oldies and kid.
3 days later.
Oh God, I'm COVID positive now. I can't get anyone to help me. I don't know what to do. The ambulance is also not showing up. let me call Teja. Maybe he knows what to do.
Hey Bhavan.
Hi Teja. I was so wrong to take COVID so lightly. I just got the results and I'm positive now. Can't get anyone to help me. The neighbors are not helping. The friends are not helping. Everybody is scared, man. I just call you to seek some advice. Should I keep calling the ambulance and get admitted to the hospital or be at home isolation? Can you suggest me, please?
Don't worry, man. You don't have to rush to the hospital. Just stay home in an isolated room and always wear your mask. And don't infect your family member and resident. Okay. Okay. Firstly, if you have slightly cough or fever, no need to go to the hospital or call an ambulance. Those are for the severe cases. I guess you have a mild case. I have gone through all of this thing when I got infected last month. Oh, okay. Don't worry. Keep monitoring your fever and buy an oximeter to monitor your blood oxygen level. Okay. And do not panic, man. When I got diagnosed, I have a mild symptom. Yeah. I stayed at home and monitored my fever, and I have consulted my doctor regularly over phone. Oh, after a few days, yes, after a few days, when I started developing symptoms like shortness of breath and nausea, then I have shifted to COVID center, not to the hospital. Yeah, for hospital, when any emergency is there and any people need ventilation, then they are shifting to the hospital. Just stay home, don't worry, and monitor your fever always.
Hello.
Hi Shruti, this is Pavan here.
Yeah, Baban, tell me.
Shruti, I'm corona positive. Can you explain me more about it and precautions I should take?
Okay, so you have been tested COVID positive.
I have mild symptoms.
So first of all, you don't have to panic. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me just explain to you about COVID, just give you some information about COVID, right? So there are two types. One is the asymptomatic, where the symptoms are very mild and you'll have either cough, fever, tiredness. And the other one is the symptomatic cases, where there will be mild symptoms as well as severe symptoms. So in case of mild, you'll have fever, sore throat, shortness of breath, loss of smell and taste, or body ache. Okay. In case of severe cases where you'll need to seek some medical emergency support, the symptoms will be like trouble in breathing and persistent pain in the chest. Okay. Yeah. For some more information for your information which you will need are about the COVID care facilities. Ones include like COVID care centers, which is a CCC. These are for the mild symptom cases, and dedicated COVID health center, which is the DCHC, for the moderate symptoms, and dedicated COVID hospitals, which are for severe symptoms. In case you definitely have some severe symptoms, then you will go for the dedicated COVID hospital. Okay. And also please make sure that you have a thermometer and an oximeter so that you can check your temperature regularly, and also your oximeter so that you can check your oxygen levels. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, based on your inputs, I think I have mild symptoms, so I just isolate myself in home isolation, and I'll have the oximeter and thermometer available.
So in case if you need any additional information, please do call me on this number. Okay? Yeah, sure.
Thank you for your advice again.
Hi Baban.
Hello Ravi. Yeah, I'm tested positive with COVID.
Oh my god.
Getting mild fever and coughing. I'm in complete home isolation now. I think I put my family at risk as well. They are getting tested. They have sealed my apartment as well. I put so many people at risk now because of my careless approach. You please take care.
You got corona positive. It's bad news. Thanks for informing. Yes, please take care. Yeah. Sure man, I will take all the care. Thank you. Take care man. Bye. Oh my god. Baban got coronavirus. Definitely I should be extra careful now. I'll have milk with turmeric, ashwagandha, chawanprash, anything which increase my immunity. Coronavirus is spreading like anything, so I should be extra careful. And the one thing which I can do, I think, is to wear this mask all the time. Hey Nidhi.
Hi Ravi.
Shruti gave a lot of precautions, and she asked a lot of ways to stay corona away. But I'm very nervous. So tell me any tips you have.
Do not get panic. I understand such a prolonged work from home and quarantine may make you and anyone else bored, depressed and cause anxiety. But think all the extra time you are being able to spend with your family. You can have fun activities, watch movies and take up some hobbies what you always wanted to pursue. And there are plenty of ways to keep yourself engaged. Look at the bright side. And even our organization Yodlee has a good spread of engagement activities. Take part of those. Relax. I know things being weird post COVID-19, but still we can enjoy ourselves to the fullest. Try to do physical activities, yoga, cooking. These things will keep you calm and mentally stable. This all shall pass and we will be COVID free one day, but until then we must stay safe. Now I am going to do some meditation and after that I am going to hear what Modi has to say about COVID.
साथियों, इस वैश्विक महामारी कोरोना से प्रभावी मुकाबले के लिए एकमात्र विकल्प है सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग। सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग यानी एक दूसरे से दूर रहना, अपने घरों में ही बंद रहना। कोरोना से बचने का इसके अलावा कोई तरीका नहीं है। कोरोना को फैलने से रोकना है तो उसके संक्रमण की जो साइकिल है उस साइकिल को तोड़ना ही होगा। हर नागरिक के लिए, हर परिवार के लिए है, परिवार के हर सदस्य के लिए है, प्रधानमंत्री के लिए भी है। घर में रहे और एक ही काम करे कि अपने घर में ही रहे।
Hello, Yardley folks. These are trying time for us and our company. COVID-19 is testing our limit to the full, but we won't give up. Be strong, stay safe. Look at what the doctors and our government leaders are saying about COVID-19. I will ensure whatever precautions we have witnessed till now will follow them and hope you will do the same. We must stop this spread of this infection by frequently washing hands, wearing masks while going out of our homes, and avoiding crowded public places. List down the activity and the hygiene and safety principles that we have conveyed in this skit. And we have more to discuss on this. Stay tuned.
Wow, that was some good performance, guys. And the key message from our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Modi ji, was also very thoughtful and insightful. We see that the government agencies have come up with the safety guidelines and precautions for all the citizens of India to stay safe and healthy. Here's an easy to follow COVID flowchart which acts as a quick reference for you to ensure that you follow all the safety measures in case you're not keeping well. Let's remember, early detection is the best precaution. The BBMP team has also come up with mobile COVID testing across Bangalore region for performing doorstep COVID testing. Our BCP team, HR team, and along with the admin team have put together a very important set of telephone numbers which consists of the government department helpline numbers and the district-wise COVID control room numbers as well. And there's also a very important web link which would help you to identify the various hospitals and the bed vacancy details as well. Last but not the least, we have also collected some of the important HR contact details, BCP contact details, as well as the insurance POC details as well. Like our PM has said, Jaan hai to jahan hai. Let's stay safe.
I fear disappearance. I see human race is trying to slay me. I'm afraid that they might get better of me. I fear that the day is much nearer than I previously thought.
These guys have really put a lot of time in making this video really very compelling. I must say thank you to all the participants who took their personal time and made this video very informative and very useful. And I really personally enjoyed watching this video. I am sure the folks who are going to watch this video will be smiling as well as they will be enjoying and getting the right messaging as well. Abhishek, what do you think about it?
No, really wonderful, informative, Ankur. I love the fact that such nice way they had conveyed the points about how to stay safe from corona, what to do in case you get corona, how to get benefits, and also providing the information about what Yardley is offering to help everyone be safe from corona, and in case you get affected, how to recover and what
Yeah.
help can be obtained. Very nice, actually.
Yeah, very nice. And by the way, Abhishek, one more point, that while we are sitting at home and maintaining the social distancing, that I don't think I have stepped out in last 2 months out of my home, but some of the folks are actually still coming to office, and we must thank those Corona warriors. I think I have some of the names and some of the departments on top of my head, and we must thank these guys, like from the office boys, Manu and the team, and the housekeeping staff who comes every day, Purna, Pankaj, Shiva, and their respective team. Security folks, they have been doing phenomenal job in maintaining our premises secure. Rajendra, Gopal, Shankar, Lashkar, Amir Hussain, and of course their respective team members, and of course electricians, right? They are keeping our server room, backup room, all the IT needs getting fulfilled. Rajshekhar, Krishna, and their team. They have been like, I have not been dealing with them directly, but they have been helping a lot in getting our office premises running while we are sitting at home.
Yeah, correct. And we feel that since we are working from home, everybody is, but you'll be surprised to see that the front office is still there, present all throughout, right? So that they can attend to any calls or people coming to office. So Tirupal and Hiremat have been still manning the front office. There have been drivers from the travel company, right? They have been helping the critical folks keep the mobility on for them, right? So Karthik, Sunil, and Santosh, they have been really helpful. The housekeeping staff, in spite of the fact that we are not going to the office, Magendran, Hemlal, Purna, Chandra, Pankaj, Shiva, and the team, right? They have been providing all possible supports to the folks who are still have to go to office, or the other supporting staff that are going to office, that will be helping in. And let's not forget the office boys, the army on the ground, right? Manu, Prasanna, Sampath, super
Yeah.
work. So I'm really glad that we have such a wonderful team on the ground, still working all throughout the time while we were working from home, and making things work. Wonderful.
Yeah,
And lastly, I would, yeah,
and
I
yeah, I
think
was about to say that office boys, of course, have done a wonderful job. And our Ayan, right? What do you think about it? He has been on toes.
Ayan and the BCP team, yeah, I'm totally amazed by amount of things he's keeping track on, like who is needing help, what kind of help is needed, getting us all the information, not just from a Yardley perspective, what Yardley leadership is conveying to us, but also from various government organizations, the travel
Yeah.
plans within states, interstates, with Karnataka, Trivandrum. Super coordination by Ayan, actually.
Yeah, he is like, all of these guys are like true Corona warriors, and of course they have done a phenomenal job in keeping all of us safe, all of the Udly employees safe, and of the Udly premises also safe. We must
Yeah,
we must appreciate their efforts.
super job. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, thanks guys.